press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, subject Social Science, topic Our Karnataka and class 6th. Okay, in previous class we study about Mysuru division, understood? Natural resources of Mysuru division and forest, wildlife and national park, and then we study about agriculture and industries also, industries of this division. Okay, in this class we learn about art, literature, music, folklore of Mysuru division. Okay, now we learn about what art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance of Mysuru division. See here, the Mysuru division is rich in art. Mysuru division is rich in art. Okay, here we see lot of contributed to the art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance. And here we see so many in ancient period the rulers of Mysuru, they contributed to the a lot for what? Art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance. Okay, the Mysuru division is rich in art, literature, theatre and dance. Okay, Mysuru is called as the what is called Mysuru? Mysuru is called as the land of art. Land of art. Which is the land of art? Mysuru is the land of art. Okay. Art, why we are calling like this? Because all types of art is developed in this division. Understood? In this Mysuru division, all types of art is developed, nourished and encouraged a large number of artists in this division. That's why we are calling land of art. For what? Mysuru is called as land of art. Okay, because why we are calling like this? Because all types of art is developed, nourished and encouraged in this. Encouraged a large number of artists in this division. Okay, they are encouraged. The coastal districts are known for their Yakshagana. Yakshagana is very famous. Understood? The coastal districts are known for their Yakshagana. Yakshagana you seen in TV, isn't it? You see in TV Yakshagana, it is a unique type of art of coastal region. Understood? It is a very unique type of dance. It is a unique type of art of coastal area or coastal region. Which is unique form or unique type of art. Yakshagana is unique type of this division. Unique type of art of this division. Okay. It has achieved national and international level. It has achieved national and international recognition. Understood? Recognition. It is not only famous in the national level, it is famous in international level also. The Yakshagana artists have been abroad. We see Yakshagana artists where they have been abroad. Abroad means out of countries. Okay, have exhibited their talent in other countries. Understood? See here, the Yakshagana is very famous, unique type of art of coastal area or coastal region people. It is very they achieved in national level and international level. The Yakshagana artists have been abroad. They have exhibited their talent in other countries also. Okay, the famous folk dance we see here, Yakshagana. It is very famous and unique type of a art of this division or coastal region of Mysuru division. The famous folk dance of this division, that is Kamsale Kunita. Kamsale Kunita. See here, Yakshagana also unique type of a art of this division. Next we see here Kamsale Kunita. It is folk dance. What it is? It is a folk dance. The famous folk dance of this division, dances of this division, Kamsale Kunita, it is special instruments. In this Kunita, in this dance we see special instruments used. They will wear special dress or uniform and using this in Kamsale and they will dance. What is the speciality of Kamsale Kunita? In Kamsale Kunita we see Kamsale. Kamsale is the special instrument. Okay. They are using Kamsale special instruments used. They will wear uniform or special dresses and they will dance. Understood? Next, Chaudike Kunita. Next, Chaudike Kunita. Chaudike Kunita. Chaudike, it will be used dance, will be done according to the tune of the Chaudi. Okay. And once again, listen here. Chaudike, it will be used dance, will be done according to the tune of the Chaudi. Understood? Next, Veeragase Kunita. Veeragase Kunita. Okay, we see here Veeragase Kunita also. You know very well Veeragase Kunita. When you see, when we are seeing the Dasara festival, understood? We see in this Kunita, Dasara festival, Veeragase Kunita is very famous. Understood? In Dasara festival, it is prominent type of the Mysuru division. Which is the prominent type of the Mysuru division? Veeragase Kunita is the prominent type of the Mysuru division. Understood? When you see the Dasara festival, Veeragase Kunita is there. Next, Patta Kunita. Patta Kunita. Okay. Again here we see special dresses. In Patta Kunita dance, again we see here special dresses with the long sticks. They are using long sticks. They are colored. How it is? Their colored sticks are used to dance. They are used to Patta Kunita dance. Okay, next Nandi Kolu. Next one is Nandi Kolu. It will be heavy dance. Understood? Nandi Kolu, it will be very heavy. They will carry, why it is heavy? Because they will carry the god on their heads. Understood? They will carry the gods on their head and they will dance according to tune of the music. See here, listen here, Nandi Kolu, it will be very heavy dance. Understood? Because they will carry the gods on their heads and they will dance according the tune of music. Okay. There are unique rituals. Here we see so many types of dances. The famous folk dances of Mysuru divisions. Which are these? The famous folk dances of Mysuru division. Which are these? First one is we see here Yakshagana. It is very unique dance of this division, isn't it? Unique type of a art. Next we see here Kamsale Kunita. It is also very famous folk dance. And then we see here Chaudike Kunita, Veeragase Kunita, Patta Kunita, and then Nandi Kunita. Nandi Kunita is very heavy dance because they are carrying, because it was very heavy, because here we see they will carry the gods on their heads and they will dance according to the music. Understood? Here we see there are unique rituals. Rituals means functions or customs. Understood? Like Huttari Habba. They celebrated Huttari Habba of Kodagu. In Kodagu we see so famous festival, that is Huttari Habba, where we see in Kodagu. It is important festivals of Kodagu people. Understood? Which is the important festival in Kodagu? Huttari Habba is the important festival of Kodagu. We see this festival when there is celebrated in Sugi season. Understood? They are celebrating Huttari Habba in Sugi seasons. Okay. Next, Bhuta Aradhane and Kambala are important two rituals of the coastal districts. Here we see the different types of customs or functions. Here we see that is Bhuta Aradhane and Kambala are important two rituals of these coastal districts. Okay. Bhuta Aradhane, it is unique style of Kunita. Bhuta Aradhane also Kunita or dance, it is a unique type of a Kunita or the festival are observed here. Next, Kambala means Kesarina Gedde. Kesarina Gadde. Here we see ox or buffaloes will be made to run. Understood? In Kambala, in Kesarina Gadde are. Here we see ox or buffaloes will be made to run. So the two pairs of will be made to run. Winner will be awarded here. Winner will be awarded here in Kambala dance or Kambala rituals. Okay. These are the contribution of. Now we studied about the art of this division. Okay. We see here so many different types of kunitas, dance, isn't it? Which are these? Chaudike Kunita, Yakshagana, Veeragase Kunita, Nandikolu Kunita and Patta Kunita, isn't it? Here we see different types of rituals, unique rituals also. In Kodagu we see Huttari Habba, they are celebrated, they are celebrating Huttari Habba in which season? Sugi season. And then we see here Bhuta Aradhane and then Kambala. These are the famous of this division. Okay. Next we study about art. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾನಪದ ನಾಟಕ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ವಿಭಾಗವು ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ನಾಟಕ, ನೃತ್ಯ ಮುಂತಾದ ಕಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಭಾಗ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು? ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತವಾಗಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲೆ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತ, ಜಾನಪದ ಮತ್ತು ನೃತ್ಯ, ನಾಟಕ, ನೃತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಭಾಗ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ಕಲೆಯ ತವರೂರು ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಕಲೆಯ ತವರೂರು ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರಾವಳಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಬಯಲಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮನ್ನಣೆಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಲೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು? ಕಂಸಾಳೆ ಕುಣಿತ, ಚೌಡಿಕೆ ಕಲೆ, ವೀರಗಾಸೆ ಕುಣಿತ, ಪಟ ಕುಣಿತ, ನಂದಿಕೋಲು ಮುಂತಾದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಜನಪದ ಕಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಕೊಡವರ ಹುತ್ತರಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತ ಆರಾಧನೆ, ಕಂಬಳ ಮುಂತಾದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂದಿಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಮೈಸೂರು ಅರಮನೆಯು ಕಲೆ, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು division. Okay, the Mysuru kingdom was always a patron of art, music and dance. Since the ancient time, the kings of Mysuru, they gave patronage and they encouraged all sorts of art, music, dance, folklore, etc. Understood? In ancient period, the rulers of Mysuru, they contributed to the fields of art, literature, dance and so many aspects. Understood? Here we see Mysuru style of painting, dance and music evolved. Mysuru is always center of the development, art, literature, music, etc. Okay, that's why we are calling the Mysuru is land of art. Here we see Rangayana. Rangayana is a very famous, understood? Rangayana is very famous. Rangayana drama or theatre dance. Okay, a theatre repertory group Rangayana is Mysuru, and it is founded by the government. Okay, we see in Mysuru Rangayana. Rangayana means drama or theatre dance. A theatre repertory group Rangayana is in Mysuru, and it is founded by the government. Which is founded by the government? Rangayana is the founded by the government. Understood? Repertory means a group in a drama company who will experiments. Here we see a different types of dancing, different types drama plays on the stage. This repertory produces and enacts plays throughout the years. The artist will be engaged, they are participate in dramas. Okay, in repertory producers you see here this repertory producers and enacts plays throughout the years. The artist will be engaged, always they will be engaged in dramas. Okay, the branches of Rangayana have been established at various places. We see Rangayana branches, they established in various places of the state. Okay, so many branches of the Rangayana we see all over the state. Rangayana Raghu is a good example. He was a very famous. Rangayana Raghu is a good example, and many other artists they have come to field of film from this company or from this Rangayana theatre. Understood? So many artists they will come to field of film from the Rangayana theatre. Understood? Rangayana, it is a drama or theatre company. It is very famous. Here we see lot of so many artists. Rangayana Raghu is a very good example of this, and many artists they have come to field of film from the Rangayana theatre. Okay, next there is a big auditorium. Here we see big auditorium, that is Kamala Mandira. Here we see big auditorium, that is Kala Mandira. Okay, Kala Mandira is a big auditorium. There is a big auditorium, that is Kala Mandira in Mysuru. Okay, here different artists will come and act drama, music, etc. In where? In Kala Mandira, so many different artists come and act drama, music, etc. Art, literature, everything will be undertaken. Activities will be taken in the Kala Mandira. The district of Mysuru division are also the places of many writers. Here we see so many writers. In this division we see so many famous writers. For example, R.K. Narayana is a famous English novelist, isn't it? R.K. Narayan is a famous English novelist from Mysuru. Okay, he wrote many English novels. Rajarao Hassan is a famous English novelist. He is from Hassan, wrote many English novels. Next, Shivram Karanth, you know very well, he was a recipient of the Jnanapita Award, isn't it? He is from Dakshina Kannada. K.S. Narasimhamurthy, who enriched the Kannada lyrical poetry. Understood? He contributed to Kannada lyrical poetry. Who? K.S. Narasimhaswamy, who enriched the Kannada lyrical poetry from Mysuru. Mysuru Mallige is the famous collection of the poems, isn't it? Mysuru Mallige is the very famous collection of the poems. Film is also there, isn't it? Mysuru Mallige film also there. Mysuru Mallige film also taken from his almost all the songs are the poems of Mysuru Mallige. You can see this film. Okay. Next, Some Kannada writers who enriched the Kannada literature, which are they? There are many writers from this division like Goruru Ramaswamy Iyengar. He also wrote many Kannada novels. Many novels have been made films also, isn't it? Dr. S.L. Bhairappa, his novels has been enacted or many movies have been based on this novels. For example, Vamsha Ruksha. Okay. M. Gopala Krishna Adiga, he wrote so many Kavanas also. B.M. Shrikantaya, A.N. Murthy and Murthy Rao, Devnuru Mahadevaya, Devnuru Mahadevaya. Many writers from this division like Goruru Ramaswamy Iyengar, Dr. S.L. Bhairappa, M. Gopala Krishna Adiga, B.M. Shrikantaya, A.N. Murthy Rao, Devnuru Mahadeva, Akbar Ali, Sara Abu Bakr, and we see here Alanahalli Krishna, Purnachandra Tejaswini, Kodagina Gauramma, Tirumalamba, Triveni, Niranjana and others enriched the Kannada literary world. Understood? In next we see here musical gains like R.K. Srikantan, Veene Sheshanna, Pitilu Chaudaya, Veene Doreswamy Iyengar, Kadri Gopalanatha and other are from this division. Cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, he was very famous English novelist also. Okay. Muhammad Peer, the theatre artist. Okay. K.K. Hebbar, a noun painter. Who is the noun painter? K.K. Hebbar. B.V. Karan, who enriched theatre and cinema, have contributed a lot to the Kannada and world culture. Pre-modern writers like Sanchi Honnamma, Ratnakaravarni and Singaraya from Mysuru division have enriched the culture heritage of Kannada. The contribution of scientists like Raja Ramanna and U.R. Rao is noteworthy here. Devraj Aras, the harbinger of social justice in Karnataka, is from this division. Okay. We see here so many writers, isn't it? Mysuru ಅರಮನೆಯು ಕಲೆ, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟತೆ, ನೃತ್ಯ, ಸಂಗೀತ, ವರ್ಣಕಲೆ ಮುಂತಾದವುಗಳು ರೂಪುಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾಟಕ, ಸಂಗೀತ ನಾಟಕಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ನಾಟಕ ತಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು. ರೆಪರ್ಟರಿ ರಂಗಾಯಣ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದದು? ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ನಾಟಕ ತಂಡ ರಂಗಾಯಣ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ರಂಗಾಯಣ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿವೆ. ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೃಹತ್ ಕಲಾಮಂದಿರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಭಾಗದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳು ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳ ತಾಣಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಸನದ ರಾಜಾರಾವ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಿನ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಕಾದಂಬರಿಕಾರರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. R.K. ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಾದಂಬರಿಕಾರರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ವಿಜೇತ ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್. ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ವಿಜೇತ ಯಾರು? ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಇವರು ಸೇರಿದವರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಭಾವಗೀತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಜೀವ ತುಂಬಿದ KS ನರಸಿಂಹಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಯಾವ ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು? ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊರೂರು ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಹಾದೇವ, ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅಲಿ, ಸಾರಾ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಪೂರ್ಣ ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ, ಆಲನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ, ಕೊಡಗಿನ ಗೌರಮ್ಮ, ತಿರುಮಲಾಂಬ, ತ್ರಿವೇಣಿ, ನಿರಂಜನ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುವಂಥರು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಈ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮೂಲದ ಮಹನೀಯರು ಯಾರೆಂದರೆ R.K. ಶ್ರೀಕಂಠನ್, ವೀಣೆ ಶೇಷಣ್ಣ, ಪಿಟೀಲ್ ಚೌಡಯ್ಯ, ವೀಣೆ ದೊರೆಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ಕದ್ರಿ ಗೋಪಾಲನಾಥ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಸಂಗೀತ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ದಿಗ್ಗಜರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ವ್ಯಂಗ್ಯಚಿತ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾರು? ಆರ್.ಕೆ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್. ರಂಗಭೂಮಿಯ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೀರ್, ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಯ ಕೆ.ಕೆ. ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್, ರಂಗಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಬಿ.ವಿ. ಕಾರಂತ್, ಆಧುನಿಕ ಪೂರ್ವ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಸಂಚಿ ಹೊನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ರತ್ನಾಕರ ವರ್ಣಿ, ಸಿಂಗಾರಾರ್ಯ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಸಾಧಕರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಪ್ಪ, ಜನರಲ್ ಕೆ.ಎಸ್. ತಿಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ತಂದ ಸೈನಿಕ ದಂಡಾಧಿಪತಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಾದ ರಾಜಾರಾಮಣ್ಣ, ಯು.ಆರ್. ರಾವ್ ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವರ ಸಾಧನೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖನೀಯ. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯದ ಹರಿಕಾರರಾದ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಅರಸರು ಕೂಡ ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? Next, thank you children. Next I will continue. Okay.